Yes, we are back with our geography topic. Again, come back here on the earth. Learn what is prime meridian. Prime meridian passes through Greenwich, which is situated in England, isn't it? Yes, and it is considered as 0 degree. Further, as you go 1 degree, you will find that we go on increasing towards the east. We go on increasing for 4 minutes as you walk towards 1 longitude. Okay, so prime meridians, and you could see the equator here. The same thing, prime meridian is passing through, you could see Greenwich. Suppose there is a time here on prime meridian 3 o'clock at 0 degree, you could see 0 degree here. Okay, so what will be the time at 30 degree east? Suppose it is 3 p.m. here at 0 degree, what will be the time at 30 degree east? So you have to multiply 30 multiplied by 4, so it will be 120 minutes ahead. 120 minutes means 2 hours. 2 hours. So if it is 3 p.m. here at 0 degree, at 30 degree east it will be 5 o'clock, correct? It will be 5 p.m. As you go away and away, you have to keep on multiplying that longitudes with 4, and then either it is ahead or behind of time, that you have to note down. So eastern sides, east part are ahead of time of Greenwich, and western part are behind of time. But if it is 30 degree west, if at 0 degree, if at Greenwich it is 3 p.m. I have told you just now, but on left hand side you will find 30 degree west. So what will be the time in that region which falls on 30 degree west? So 30 multiplied by 4, it will be 120 only, but you have to go behind 2 hours, isn't it? 60 minutes, 1 hour, 60 minutes, another hour, so it will become 120 minutes, correct? So you have to go behind 3 p.m. What is behind 3 p.m.? What will be the time? 2 hours behind 3 p.m. You have to minus 3, minus 2 to 3, from 3. So you will get 1 o'clock. So at 30 degree west, it will be 1 p.m. Are you getting how the time is being standardized? Yes. So which are the countries located at Greenwich? Here, Spain, France, some part of United Kingdom, Algeria, Mali, Burkina, Togo and Ghana. These are all at Greenwich. We will learn now. See here, at prime meridian, suppose at 0 degree it is 8 p.m. Okay, so at 15 degree east, 15 degree east is actually 1 hour has passed. See, 15 multiplied by 4, you will get 60. That means at 15 degree east, you 1 hour is passing. That means you have to keep on adding 1 hour as you go 15 degree away from 0 degree meridian. Suppose at 15 degree east it is 9 p.m. Then what will be the time at 30 degree east? So 1 hour ahead. What will be the time at 45 degree east? It will be 1 hour ahead. Are you getting? Then what will be the time at 15 degree west? It will be 1 hour behind. So if it is 0 degree, if it is 8 p.m. at 0 degree, what will be the time at 15 degree west? It will be 7 p.m. correct? Yes. How it is 1 hour? Because every longitude is 4 minutes. We are calculating every longitude faces 4 minutes by the sun. Okay, see here the same thing. One person is at different longitudes and they are calling each other and telling that here it is 12. The other person, left hand side person is telling here it is 12:01. The other side person is telling here it is 11:59. So all those things, so you cannot predict the time that asking somebody else there that side. Now you know here if the time is, now what is the time here, if the time is 10:32, what will be the time on the next longitude? It will be 4 minutes away, 1 longitude. Okay, so the same thing here, as we go 1 longitude towards east, you will find it goes on increasing as 1 or 4 minutes. So at 15° east we are 1 hour ahead. See, prime meridian, you could see this prime meridian. Okay, so all those things, it is noon. Noon means, if it is told that it is noon, noon means it is 12 o'clock. Then at 15° east it will be 1 p.m. Then at 15° west it will be 1 hour behind. They are 1 hour behind than us, western side. Eastern sides are 1 hour ahead. Okay, so you have to remember 1 degree longitude means it is away 4 minutes from each other. So we are completing our lesson. There are some activities to be done. See this way, the difference in the time at different region. So all this time is being compared with the help of Greenwich Mean Time, as well as our India. We'll talk about our India. Okay, our India is situated, where our India is situated. Here I haven't mentioned any. So where is our India situated on the globe? Just see here. Okay, see, it is between 90° east and 120° east. So our India is situated exactly at 82°30' east. Our India is situated at 82°30' east. So 30 minutes, that means 82° longitude on 82° longitude, and further 30 minutes you have to add. Therefore it is away from Greenwich Mean Time. It is ahead of 5 hours 30 minutes. Our India is ahead of 5 hours 30 minutes. That means if on Greenwich, if it is 12, if it is noon, 12 noon, then we have to add 5 hours to 12. So how many it will be? 17 hours 30 minutes. 17 hours means what will be the time here? 5 o'clock 30 minutes. Okay, where this 82° 30 minutes east longitude, where it is, it runs through which region of our India? It runs through Mirzapur. It is near Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh. This longitude of our India runs from Mirzapur, which is near Allahabad in Uttar Pradesh, and that time in Mirzapur, whatever time is there, that time is considered as Indian Standard Time. Okay, so our Indian Standard Time goes according to the time of that longitude. What longitude? Number of that longitude is 82° east and 30 minutes. Okay, which runs through Mirzapur near Allahabad, which is situated in Kolkata. So where is Mumbai located? Mumbai is located at 73 degree east. Kolkata is located at 88 degree east longitude. So every of the longitude runs through many of the region, and that region considers that longitude as their standard time. But some region or some country have more than two longitudes, so their two standard times are considered. Okay, now your activity is find out which from which country two longitudes are running, or two longitudes run through which country. So they have two standard times. Okay, take care, understand all these things.